स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न साइंस ऑफ क्लास 6 और इसमें आज हम नया चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे। चैप्टर 6 चेंजेस अराउंड अस। व्हाट अ फन वुड इट बी इफ यू सडनली गेट सम मैजिकल पावर्स टू चेंज थिंग्स अराउंड यू। What are the things you would want to change? We do not have magical powers, of course, but we can still change a few things around us. Perhaps many things. Can you list a few things you can change around you with no magic involved? आप मैजिक के बिना भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जिसको चेंज कर सकते हो. Many changes are taking places around us on their own. In the fields, the crops change from time to time. Sometimes leaves fall from trees, change color and dry out. The flowers bloom and then wither away. Are any changes happening in your body? Your nails grow, your hair grows, you grow taller, and your weight increases as you grow. Did you realize earlier that so many changes are taking place around you all the time? हमारे आजू बाजू जो चेंजेस होते हैं उसको आप ऑब्जर्व करते हो. Can some of the changes be grouped together? How can we group various changes? It might help if we find some similarities between them. Can all changes always be reversed? Reverse भी होते हैं क्या? Take a balloon and blow it. Take care that it does not burst. The shape and size of the balloon have changes. Now let the air escape the balloon. See here the picture of blowing girl का पिक्चर बताया है. Balloon changes its size and shape on blowing air into it. Take a piece of paper and fold it as shown in figure 6.2. You have changed the sheet of paper into a toy aeroplane. You may have lots of fun in flying this plane. Once you are tired of it, unfold the paper again. आपको जब एरोप्लेन खेलना है तो आप पेपर को फोल्ड करके बना सकते हो, और जब आपको नहीं खेलना है तो आप उसको खोल के पेपर बना सकते हो. Take some dough and make a ball. Try to roll out a roti. Maybe you are not happy with its shape and wish to change it back into a ball of dough again. Now think about the three changes you observed in activity 1, 2 and 3. What do they have in common? इन सब में common क्या है? Was it possible to get the balloon back to its original shape and size? क्या ये possible है कि balloon फिर से उसकी original shape और size में आ जाए? Was the size of the paper same as before and after making an aeroplane? Was it possible to get back the ball of dough again? What do you conclude? In each of the three activities, is it possible to get back to the material with which we started our activity? If the answer is yes, it means that the changes occurring in these activities can be reversed. Now let us repeat the same activities with a difference. Activity 4. Take the same balloon which you used in activity 1. Blow it to its full size and tie its mouth with string tightly. Prick it with the pointed tip of your pencil. Oops, it burst. अगर जो बलून है वो बर्स्ट हो जाएगा तो फिर हम उसको उसके फिर से वो वाले शेप में हम उसको नहीं ला सकते हैं. Take the same piece of paper which you used in activity 2. Draw an aeroplane on it and cut along its outline. Roll out a roti from the ball of dough again and make it on a tawa. Suppose you are asked the same three questions which you answered after activity 3. What would your answers be now? We see that the changes which have occurred in the activity 4, 5 and 6 cannot be reversed. You use a pencil and an eraser. With repeated use, the shape and size change. Can we reverse this change? क्या हम पेंसिल और इरेजर को फिर से उसका शेप दे सकते हैं? You must have seen a potter working on his wheel. He shapes a lump of clay into a pot. Can this change be reversed? He then bakes the pot in an oven. Now can this change be reversed? Some common changes are given in table 6.1. Which of these changes do you think can be reversed? ये सब जो changes दिए हैं टेबल में, इसमें से आप कौन से चेंजेस को रिवर्स कर सकते हैं? रो एग टू बॉइल्ड एग, यस और नो? फिर बैटर टू इडली, wet clothes to dry clothes, woolen yarn to knitted sweater, grain to its flour, cold milk to hot milk, straight string to a coiled string, bird to flower, milk to paneer, cow dung to biogas, stretch rubber band to its normal size, आइसक्रीम टू मोल्टन आइसक्रीम। ये सब आपको यस और नो में उसका आंसर इस खाली जगह में लिखना है। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट पार्ट हम कल देखेंगे। थैंक यू एंड हैव ए नाइस डे।